Getting things back over to Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund. The wind is not as bad as it was yesterday, but it's still chilly out there.
Oh yeah, for sure. And I was outside just about 2 hours ago, and it's windy, it's chilly. I came back in, I was brushing all the knots out of my hair from the wind, and the air's got a little bit of a bite to it too. We've got temperatures right now hanging out in the low to mid 50s, and again, once you factor in winds 20, 25, close to 30 miles per hour out of the northwest, it does feel just a little bit cooler. But as we head through the afternoon today, we'll have temperatures kind of rising into the mid to upper 50s. We'll have the sunshine, but again, we will have strong winds pretty much persisting throughout the afternoon today, with gusts 25, 30 miles per hour through the afternoon into the evening before winds start to back off a little bit and calm down as we head into the overnight hours. But speaking of tonight, it's going to be a chilly night, to say the least. We'll have temperatures dropping down to around freezing into the low 30s, and so this is going to possibly lead to some areas of frost. So just make sure you're bringing in any of those cold sensitive plants that you have outside indoors. Also, maybe consider give yourself a little extra time tomorrow morning as you're heading out the door to warm your car up a little bit, because it's going to be a cooler start to the day. But today we'll have the sunshine, strong winds out of the northwest, a little bit cooler. As we head into tomorrow, we'll still have the sun around, but winds are going to be switching out of the south. This is going to be bringing back in the warmer temperatures, also that moisture down from the south, but this is going to then lead to the chance for some scattered showers and storms Thursday and overnight and into the morning on Friday. And there is a chance that some of these storms could be strong to severe. There are still some questions about the overall placement of that warm front that's going to determine the strong storms and the overall threats that these storms do bring. But we do have a level 1 marginal risk highlighted in green here to the northeast, as well as a slight risk highlighted in yellow for really most of the state. And so we're going to be keeping a close eye on this as we head throughout really the next day or two, so we can really fine in on those exact details, and we'll continue to give you updates as we get them. But there will be that chance mainly Thursday afternoon into Friday morning for some of those strong storms to develop. But in the meantime, before we get there, we'll stay dry and sunny today. Same thing for tomorrow. Tomorrow starts our first day of the warming trend back up into the 60s. Watching for that chance for rain and storms Thursday into Friday. 74 on Friday, a little bit cooler for the first day of the weekend. And if you have any Easter plans, make sure you're keeping an eye on the forecast with some rain chances on Easter Sunday. Same thing goes as we head into the week.